Hi, my name is Sam and I'm a pediatric physiotherapist with Alberta Health Services. This video series is all about the skill of rolling. While some babies learn to roll on their own, other little ones need a helping hand from us. In this first video, you're going to learn the signs that your baby is ready to start rolling. As children get older, they learn different movement skills. Each movement skill helps them get ready for the next one. In this series, you'll learn how your baby follows toys with their eyes, learns to control their head and neck movement, reaches for toys, brings their hands to their knees and feet, rolls from their tummy to their back, and rolls from their back to their tummy. This is the typical order of skills that babies go through when learning to roll. Some babies might move quickly through some of the stages and spend months at another stage. Others may work on these skills in a slightly different order. We get asked a lot about when babies will learn movement skills. So with this picture here, I want you to notice that there's a wide range of normal for when children learn movement skills. Remember that if your child was born prematurely or has a medical diagnosis, their timeline might be different. Most babies start rolling at 4 to 7 months of age. Rolling helps your baby get stronger in their neck, chest, back, shoulders, and tummy. They also learn to shift their weight from side to side. Babies need to be able to shift their weight for all the movement skills that follow. Learning to roll is one of the first ways babies change from one position to another on their own. Rolling helps babies develop an early sense of movement, balance, and body awareness. You'll know your baby is ready to roll when they are able to lift and hold their head up while lying on their back or tummy, reach for toys while on their tummy, and hold their head level, not tipping it to either side while in supported sitting and in tummy time. In the rest of this video series, you'll learn what you can expect to see when your child is learning to roll. Remember, every baby is different. Some babies may spend a longer time learning some of these skills than others. We'll see you in the next video.
Find information, support, and services for you and your child by clicking on the link in the description.